Okay guys, in the previous days I've been thinking on creating online bookstore which will be the Django web application allowing user to register, log in, upload the books. But the big question in the background of my mind is who is going to classify the books based on their category, okay? Because I want to sort the books uploaded by user in different categories of my own. For me, I cannot, okay, because it will be the cumbersome work. User uploaded the book, then I go to the database or to a dashboard, then start putting the category of book. By the way, I don't have a degree of record management nor any certification of archiving. So when it comes to sorting document, whether physical or online, this finds me a very hard time, okay? But I hold the degree of computer science and information security, and luck enough I know machine learning. So I want to leverage this task of sorting online document by using machine learning, okay? So that is okay. So in this course we'll learn how to deploy machine learning model on the Django web framework, but the project is intelligent bookstore. How can we have machine learning operating in the background of the Django, okay, intercepting the document uploaded by the user before being saved in the database? It process it and give it the label. All right. So in this session, what you need to have is you should have the Django installed in your computer. You should have Anaconda, okay, installed in your computer, and make sure you check out the link below this video, okay? Check out the link below the video description to download the Anaconda version. I want you and me to use the same version of Anaconda so as for package compatibility. But also make sure you have installed the PyPDF, which is Python library for processing PDF file. In short, the project will mainly based on Jupyter Notebook, but on the Django I'll not teach any source code, but I'll specifically show you how to deploy the machine learning model. Before I talk more, let's have a demo, right? So this is intelligent bookstore, which is created by using the Django and the machine learning. So here you can see once I click register button, I can be able to register. So here I can say Motech app, my name, okay, and my email is mosesnoel02@gmail.com. My password is let me put Motech app, okay. Then let me click the register button to make sure I register. You can see account was created successful. Then I can log in the Django intelligent book store, okay. So let me put the password, okay. Let me sign in, okay. You can see invalid password or username. So let me re-authenticate, okay. That's my name, my username. So let me hit the sign in button to sign in. Okay, you can see here there are two books, okay. There is this book with title Machine Learning for Pro. The category of book is Deep Learning, and there is this book, the Django for Perfectionist, and the category is Web Development. User can view the book, user can download the book, but user can search the book, okay. And the main purpose of using machine learning in the backend to classify the books based on their categories is also to enable user to search the books based on categories. We assume that when you come online, you want maybe books of a specific category. Maybe you want books or about web development. So once you search about web development, it will show you out all books falling under the category of web development. So if you want to learn machine learning and you are here in Intelligent Bookstore, searching for machine learning books will show you all the books about machine learning. So let me try out to upload the book. Okay, so let me put the title. I can put any title because the title has nothing to do with us. Python book. Okay, the description I can say a book. Okay, let me choose the cover page for the book, right? So let me go on the desktop. Okay, here there is a books. Okay, let me choose this. Okay, let me choose the PDF. Okay, then let me click upload. Okay, all right, you can see book was uploaded successfully. You can see the title of the book is Python book. Okay, the category is web development. Let's open up this book to be sure if the machine learning model is correctly classifying the book according to their category. You can see this book is about the Django web framework, which is under the category of web development according to the owner of Intelligent Bookstore, who is me. Okay, so I have in the training data set, I what I did on the training data set is any book or any Django book is following under the category of web development. As I told you that I don't hold the degree of record management, any certification of archiving. So what I did is just to set the category of books on dataset. That is the thing. That is the only one thing I can do. Okay, so let me open up this book. You can see this book is of category deep learning. So let me open up this book, and you can see hands-on machine learning with TensorFlow, with scikit-learn and TensorFlow. And everybody know that TensorFlow is all about deep learning. Okay, so that is, I can upload another book just to show you. I can say the title, my book. Okay, I don't care about description. I can put blah blah. Let me choose the cover page for the book. Okay, let me choose this. Okay, let me open this. Okay, let me open. Then let me add the book. Okay, you can see book was uploaded successfully. The title is my book. The category is deep learning. Okay, that's it. Once I open view, you can see this is mastering OpenCV with Python. And actually in OpenCV, the technique is used for image detection are commonly method are from convolution neural network, which is deep learning. So we assume that, and we are sure that the created machine learning model has correctly categorized this book based on category. I wish I could add the last book here. So okay, user guide book. Okay, I don't care about description. Let me choose the okay, let me choose the book. Okay, let me go in this key. No, let me go here. Here we go. Okay, library. Okay, Python. Okay, let me find the Python book. Oh, okay. Anyway, let me find out even JavaScript book. Let me take this just to see how our model perform. Let me add the book. Okay, you can see user guide book. The book is under the category of web development, and once I open this book, you can see web programming. with the JavaScript and so on. So actually, this is what you should expect. You should expect this application to work. Okay, this is how our intelligent book application should work. Okay. So the main thing which will be done, or the bigger task we have, is the different operations on a Jupyter Notebook. On the Django, we will not do coding for sure. Okay, we will not create this intelligent bookstore, because in my different previous lectures, I taught about how to create the bookstore online with the name of book app. So sometimes I find very cumbersome task to reteaching the content. So I will not code this Django application, but what I'll teach you is the walkthrough of creating the model on a Jupyter Notebook. So on a Jupyter Notebook, we'll do a lot of things like loading data set, data exploration, training the model, fit the model, dump the model in the disk by using Pico. But when it comes to the Django web application, what we'll do is specifically uploading, specifically learning how to deploy the model. And here you can see user can search by category, and you can see I can see all books under the category of web development. I can click the download to download the book. As you can see, I can search books based on maybe I want to see deep learning books. I can search here. So that's it. Okay, excuse me, one more. Let me add another book for sure. Okay, ML book. Okay, this is awesome book. Let me choose the cover page. Okay, let me go on the desktop. Okay, my book. Let me choose another book. Let me come here in the bookstore. Okay, sklearn. Okay, scikit-learn, amazing ML. So let me open up. Let me add this book. Okay, you can see book must at least contain 100 pages. Okay, amazing ML guide. Okay, this is awesome book. Let me choose the okay, let me choose another book here. Okay, let me take this. Don't know if it has more than pages. Okay, I want to find a book which is okay, just wait. Let me take this, then upload. No, there is no cover. Okay, let me put the book cover. Okay, you can see ML guide. The book category is Python OpenCV, and once I open this book, you can see face recognition. Okay, this is face recognition and Python. So this is all about the intelligent bookstore created by the Django and the machine learning. As I told you that the main purpose of this course is to teach you how you can deploy machine learning model on the Django and how machine learning can be useful. For sure, this model can be deployed on script Okay, this is one of online repository which allow user to upload the different content. But who classifies the category of online document uploaded by the user? This can also be also deployed on Amazon. Who classify the content of books uploaded in different online repository and on different online bookstore is end user. We cannot give the power to the end user to classify the books, okay? But we can also give this task to record management student or record management specialist to do this. We can give machine learning. We can automate this task by creating super machine learning model for classifying books. So this is all about this course. Welcome. Grab the cup of coffee to fuel up your mind and your body and get prepared for machine learning. You will be machine learning engineer by taking this course. No jokes. You're welcome.